In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with kfcapp.cashflow.com. If you manage your accounts with a team, adding an admin or staff member to your KashFlow account lets you collaborate without sharing your personal login. It means people can help with invoices, quotes, reports, and other bookkeeping tasks while you stay in control with clear permission levels. This keeps your financial data organized and secure. Start by heading to the KashFlow website, selecting Login, and signing in to open your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the gear icon to open settings. Under your account, choose Sharing and Permissions or User Management. In some versions, this may appear as Manage Users, so don't worry if the label looks slightly different. Next, add a new person to your account by choosing Add New User or Invite User. Enter the team member's details, choose the access level that fits their role, and include a short welcome note if you like to set expectations. Full admin access gives complete control across reports, invoices, and settings, while limited access restricts what they can see and do, such as invoices only, purchases only, or reports only. When you're ready, send the invitation. Your teammate will receive an invite from KashFlow. They'll click Accept Invitation and either sign in or create their own login to connect to your account. As soon as they accept, their access will match the role you assigned. You can adjust permissions anytime. Go back to Settings, open User Management or Sharing and Permissions, select the person you want to update, and choose Edit to change their role. Save your changes and they'll apply right away. If you ever need to remove someone, use Remove or Delete User Access to revoke their entry instantly. A few practical tips will help you stay secure and efficient. Always give each person their own login rather than sharing one account. Review permissions regularly, especially when responsibilities change, so access stays appropriate. Use built-in notes or messaging to keep conversations about invoices or reports tied to the right records. And remember to deactivate users who no longer need access to protect your data. To recap, you'll sign in, open settings, go to